Hi guys and welcome to FX Market Strategy. We continue our weekly forecast. We start with the dollar index. What we can see, just a small dip in the dollar index, then it's gonna start rising just to retest this trend again. Then after this should fall again. Okay guys, so what we're waiting for is this retest right here. Okay, so we're waiting for this up move here. Okay, watch out, there is some Fed's news next week and Mr. Powell's testimony and stuff, so there's going to be a big movement in the market. Okay, so the dollar index, I do expect just a small dip, then after this one strong wave up, then after this wave what we can say is just is gonna fall again. Okay, a euro index, we can see just a small up move then followed by a down move. This down move, when the dollar index is rising, then the euro is gonna be falling. Bound index, guys, just need a big correction. Watch out, the bound need a correction. Okay, franc index, we can see this coming just to retest this area. Nothing really major or anything, it's just this move right there. Japanese yen, watch out guys, next week we do expect an up move in Japanese yen. So up move right here to this area, then after this next week or so we expect a down move. So JPY pairs possibly are going to be coming down, especially something like Euro Japanese yen, bound Japanese yen. Keep the eye on them, they may crash hard. Australian, you guys, if you do remember last week, we said Australian, we do expect it to go up. It did rise. So what we do expect this week is the Australian index to come to test this area right here. This area should hold, then after this fall it will go up. What does this mean? Australian is going to be really weak. Okay, New Zealand, the same scenario, we do expect the same case. So just exactly like Australian dollar coming down then rising up, following week this will be strong again. Okay, Canadian index, we discussed being strong, guys. We need this to come to retest this trend going up right here like this. So this move need to come down here to retest this area, then rise back up. The VIX index, we expect just a correction wave up here, possibly to 24 or so. That's gonna send the stock down. Then after this wave, we're gonna have a very strong down wave here, where the stock are gonna go up. So watch out, next week we may get a correction in the stock market. Gold is going to be tricky, because if the dollar index is going to be really strong and fast, the gold may decline further down. Okay, it may break down. But if the dollar is just to grow slowly and the stock market is falling hard, you may find a demand in the gold. Okay, so try to trade breakouts with a smaller time frame right now, because you can see it just ranging up and down, up and down. Okay, I think longer term is gonna go up, but still in a correction phase right now. I think US oil is really good sell, guys. Okay, we need probably to come back to all the way down here to 53 or so. So possibly we can see a 500 points drop in the oil. So keep the eye in the oil and Canadian dollar next week. Both of them probably gonna be weak. Okay, watch out, this is a trend line, we need to come test it. Once we test it and start going back up, we will go back up to 65. Okay, so that's the next target, but we need to get 500 points drop right here. Those people who did make a lot of money, they just need to push the price down so they can buy from a lower price. That's how the market works, right? See this area, they need to come back here, kind of, because they need to collect more orders from here. Here, no one is gonna buy much, so they need to drop the price so they catch you here and they start buying. So what we need to buy from this area or this area depends on how it's gonna play, but either way, there is no buying from here, only selling. You can see this also trend line at the top right there. So we want to only sell from here, going all the way down to this area, and your stop loss is there just in case something goes wrong or something, you know. So we take profit here or there, then we start buying here. Okay, so no worries. That's what we can see, just a correction, guys, next week. Then after this will go up. As you can see, it's going in a clear channel right here between up and down, except this one right there. The Dow, I can see, guys, a strong correction next week. Usually with Mr. Powell's speech, we get a big movement. Has been disappointing forever. Every speech almost he did, the Dow will fall. After this fall will be a nice buy. Okay, guys? So you can see there is some kind of channel going there. But this momentum is dying. There is no much buyers. So as you can see, it's taking too much time. And the crawling slowly, then coming back. So this correction, no buyers. And the momentum, in the MACD, you're gonna find this going down, not going up. Okay, so really what I can see is this is not gonna be broken this week. Okay, and we're gonna get a correction, I don't recommend to sell unless you know how to sell stock market with a tight stop loss and you be on top of it, grab any profit you could, then just get out. After this, I think this is going to be a really fantastic buy. Okay. I think this is gonna fall big time, guys. Japanese stock market, this is gonna have a big correction next week. Euro dollar, what we can see is just the up move, a small one, opposite of the dollar index. Once the dollar index start going up, then the euro dollar is gonna crash so fast. So this kind of the wave we're waiting for the euro dollar, we want to sell it. Okay. The good thing is this area has been playing as a support resistance area strongly. Okay. So really, it did reject from here once. It's just coming to reject again. Let's say if it will test it one more time up here, then start coming back. I think I will be very interested to take a sell from this area with this coming down. My stop loss is right there. Okay. Pound dollar is the same thing, guys. We're just having an upward channel right there. It's very dangerous to buy the pound dollar right there. Okay. What we want to see is just a correction right there, here, all the way to the 1.37 or so. Okay, so about 200 bips. Doesn't have to come all the way here, it may just come to there, but anyway, I will not buy pound dollar here. I'll be looking to sell, and you can see it even did touch this trend line. See if you connect those trend lines just like this, it's almost touched it right there. Okay, and start coming back. This can make a double top. Yes, it may come down a little bit, trick you with another one wave, then just crash so fast to the downside. After this down, we're gonna continue to the uptrend. Okay, so this is what we can see right now. So I'm be looking to short the pound dollar only. I'm not gonna be looking to long it. Okay. Dollar franc is just the same thing like euro dollar, but opposite. So we can see just a small wave to the downside with this trend line here. If we can get a rejection and a good price action from here to the upside, then we're gonna be interested to take this buy to go along with this trend. After this move, we do expect the dollar index to fall again, and then it's gonna be sell again, guys. So that's what we can see. Okay, small down wave followed a big up wave followed by another down wave. Okay. USDCAD, I think you guys, we discussed the 1.25 level. I closed my trades right there. I'm gonna be looking to buy this one with price action, so I'm no longer selling USDCAD, guys. I'm only buying it, just to let you know. And how much target I'm be looking at just right there. Okay, 1.29. So I'm looking at 300 bips right there. Okay, guys. From this area, 1.29 to 1.3, I'm gonna be looking to sell again. So that's my plan for the USDCAD. Australian USD with any price action, you guys, you can see it's coming down. This probably need a correction. So keep the eye on this one. If you see it coming down, I think I'll be selling it. I will not buy Australian USD at that price. I think I told you guys last week, I'm waiting for this strong up wave. Right now, what I'm waiting for is just a correctional wave to the downside. Could be fast. After this one will be another up wave. New Zealand USD is the same thing like Australian, so there is no need to talk much about it. Pound Japanese yen, I think this will be a fantastic sale, guys, this week. Okay, just the same thing like pound dollar, extremely correlated. So right now at that price, 147.50, this could fall all the way to 144. We can get, see guys, you can see this trend line. Okay, the lower band of the channel, and this is the upper band of the channel, has been touched here once, twice, 3 times, bang. Once it touch it, then you know we can get a very strong down move right there. Okay guys, keep the eye on this one. Think pound yen may crash so bad next week. Your stop loss should be at the top right there, 149 a little bit or above. It depends on your style of trading, but I will be only looking to sell it. I will not be buying it. Okay guys. Euro Japanese yen, you guys you see it has been going up, crawling up, but that's kind of correctionally a little bit because the stock market was kind of shy and the dollar index also was not falling too hard, so the euro yen didn't gain much. So what we can see, breaking this lower band of the channel will trigger a really nice short. My target will be around the 124. From the 124 I'm a buyer. So what I'm looking for is this down wave, I will be selling it, and this up wave I'll be buying it. CHFJPY, the same scenario, looking for a strong down wave, guys. So probably about 200 points or so. That will be really nice. USDJPY is just gonna be tricky a little bit. So what we can see, just a down wave to here to 104 or so, 103.50. Then after that, we're gonna be buying it. Euro New Zealand, I think we're getting a really nice buy here, guys. You can see this is a channel right there, and it just coming to the lower band, lower area of the channel. Just we're looking for something like this. What you guys can see here, right there. See that? Then we need a correction like an A, B, C formation. Okay, so what we're looking for is this one, right there. So after this, I think is finished. So we're looking for something like this. This is only a correction. After this correction, we come here, which work as a support resistance for all this area. You can see right there. Then we're gonna be selling it again. Okay, so this is the plan. We're gonna be buying this one with price action and signal. Then we're gonna be selling at 1.69 plus or minus with signal. Okay, with price action and signal. Euro Australian, just typical of Euro New Zealand, guys. What we can see here is just going in a channel. Also, it did touch the bottom of it. Big chance now we're gonna see a reverse to the upside. This is the bottom, or this is a very deep, strong downtrend. So what you need to do is only buy with price action and reverse. Don't just go buy it because someone said so. Okay, you have to see price action. You have to see the price start going up, just like these ones or these ones. You know, see guys, like here. See, right? If you see like two candles green at the same time going after each other in the 4-hour time frame or so, that's kind of indication that you get a reverse. But if you see just dropping down red candles, don't go and buy it, please. Eurobound, we're looking at a very strong up move, correctionally or impulse, we're gonna see, but we're looking for an up move followed by a down wave after that. Bitcoin, guys, I do believe this we still need to test the 42,000. Okay, I'm concerned about this move without testing, so watch out for this. We can get like a sudden drop right there. Okay, guys, watch out for this one. See there, we can get this. We can get this to drop. Watch out. I'm not very optimistic about this to continue going up without testing. We need to come test this 42 area, and after this we take off to the 60, 65. We'll see what happens, but we need to test this one. So really, I don't recommend anyone to jump and buy at all-time high. I don't think this is a good idea, even if it's going to continue going up. Risk to reward ratio, you guys don't forget the rules. The rules are the rules. Risk to reward ratio, safety, you're investing, you're not gambling. So these are the most important things in the market. If you guys would like to join our signals or trading systems, you guys are most welcome. Please visit FX Market Strategy and subscribe to one of our services, and thank you. Have a great day.